So today I'm going to show you our 10-foot folding sprayer boom kit. So this boom kit comes with 3 nozzles, one on each end and one in the middle, all the hosing required, all your brackets for mounting to the sprayer, all nuts and bolts, pressure gauge, 3-way regulator valve and height adjustment brackets. In our previous video you'd have seen our 94 litre ATV quad sprayer. This boom kit can be easily mounted onto the back of that sprayer so you can spray at 10 foot wide. All the fittings and adapters are included in the kit for you to do so easily. This boom kit can be ordered on our website or through your local sales rep. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.